Finding an apartment in the United States involves a lot of paperwork, a lot of phone calls, and a very specific set of vocabulary that most English courses never teach you.
Today we walk through a full apartment rental conversation, from the first viewing to signing the lease, so you can navigate it confidently in real life.
Welcome to English in Context at B2 level. Renting an apartment in the US requires you to negotiate, ask the right questions, and understand legal language.
You will hear two conversations: viewing an apartment with a landlord and calling to negotiate the lease terms. Both are realistic B2 level interactions.
After the conversations, we break down the most important phrases and help you practice the ones you will need.
Landlord: Tom, come in, come in. So this is the living room, about 350 square feet. Updated kitchen, central air.
Renter: May, it is lovely. Is the price negotiable at all? The listing said $1,800.
Tom: utilities are included, water and trash. Electric is on you. And I require first month, last month, and a security deposit equal to 1 month's rent.
May, I see. And is the lease month to month or a fixed term?
Tom: 1-year lease. After that, we can go month to month at a slight increase.
Key rental vocabulary. Utilities: the services like electricity, water, gas, and internet. Always ask which utilities are included in the rent.
Security deposit: this is not a fee, it is your money, held by the landlord. You get it back when you leave, as long as you have not damaged the property.
On you: informal American English meaning your responsibility. Electric is on you means you pay for electricity separately. Now May calls the landlord to negotiate before signing.
Tom: hello, Tom speaking.
May: hi Tom, it is May. I viewed the apartment on Oak Street yesterday. I am very interested. I wanted to ask, would you consider $1,750 if I sign a 2-year lease?
Tom: 2 years is attractive. I could do $1,775 and I will throw in 1 month of free parking.
May: that sounds fair. Could we include a clause that the rent cannot increase more than 3% per year after the first term?
Tom: I can agree to 5%, that is standard. I will have the lease ready by Friday. Would you consider is your most useful negotiation phrase. It is polite, open, and does not put the other person on the defensive.
Throw in when someone adds something extra to sweeten a deal. You can also say include or add, but throw in is the most natural spoken English.
Always ask about the notice period before you sign. How much notice do I need to give if I want to vacate? 30 days is standard.
Repeat these phrases clearly and slowly.
Is the price negotiable at all?
Would you consider a 2-year lease?
Could we include a clause about rent increases?
How much notice do I need to give to vacate?
What does utilities included mean in a rental listing?
It means services like water, gas, or trash collection are covered in the monthly rent. You do not pay separately for them.
What is the difference between a fixed-term lease and a month-to-month arrangement?
A fixed-term lease locks you in for a set period, usually 1 year. Month-to-month renews automatically each month with more flexibility, but often a higher rent. Today, you learned the vocabulary for apartment hunting in the US, from viewing to negotiating the lease.
Key phrases to remember: is the price negotiable? Would you consider? And always ask about the notice period before you sign anything.
Next episode, talking about mental health at work, a topic that requires careful, sensitive English.